Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automotive Testing. So till now in this UDS series, we have covered this green highlighted one. The only one is remaining, that is routine control. This one, and service ID is 31. So in this video, I will be explaining you all routine control. What is routine control? Why do we use this? And what is its important in the automotive? So let's get started. Is routine control in automotive systems. So basically, a routine is a task or operation that the ECU can execute on demand based on a request from a diagnostic tool. Okay. So these tasks are designed to check and ensure system integrity, resetting or calibrating sensors. So, routine generally refers to predefined specific function or a test that is programmed into the electronic control unit by the manufacturer. Okay. So, these routines are executed to perform operations such as diagnostic, self-tests, calibrations, or other vehicle-specific tasks. So, this is just a basic discussion purpose I have mentioned here. Okay. So types of protein. So there are four types of protein. The first is diagnostic, second calibration, then operational, and then learning routines. So I will tell you in brief what is diagnostic routine. So diagnostic is used to check the health or functionality of component or system. If I take a diagnostic routines example, let's say running a test to check if the fuel injectors are operating correctly or not. Okay, and then for calibration routines, it aligns sensor or actuators to a baseline value. Okay, calibration means aligning sensor or actuator to a baseline values. If I take the best example of calibration is a TPMS tire pressure or calibrating the throttle body position sensor after repair or replacement. And the third one is operational routines. So in operational routines, it triggers specific system actions or behaviors. For example of this operational routine is performing that diesel particulate filter DPF regenerations, and then learning routines. So this is the learning routines. It adapt the system to new conditions or components. For example, resetting the transmission adaptation values to improve shifting behavior. So if I take a real world example, so this is just I'm giving overview of its types, how many types routine control has. So example of routine control here you can say TPMS, calibration, adaptive cruise control. These are particular filter. Okay. So if I take this tire pressure calibration, so routine purpose, so it teaches the ECU the baseline tire pressure after replacing or rotating tires. TPMS calibration. And how TPMS calibration works? The ECU records the current pressure reading as the new standards. Whatever will be the current pressure ECU will be reading, that would be the baseline using this routine control. And for this adaptive cruise control, this align the radar sensor after repair or replacement. Okay, so the routine ensures the radar is correctly aligned with the vehicle's center line or not. And this TPF is burn off accumulated soot in the filter to maintain performance. So this ECU increases exhaust temperature. ECU increases exhaust temperature to burn the soot during the routine. So these are the basic example of routine control. And the next one is how routines are controlled via UDS. So there are three major actions are there in UDS. First is StartRoutine, 01 StopRoutine 02, and then the third one is RequestRoutineResult. So before deep diving into this example, I will tell you. Imagine you have just replaced or repaired a tire on your car, and the TPMS needs recalibration. This is where routing control comes into play. So what a start routine will do. So using diagnostic tool, it sends a command using routing control to start the calibration routine for TPMS. Then ECU. You have sent a request to ECU. Now ECU will respond that request and begins the calibration process, such as detecting and uh, recording a new tire pressure baselines. Okay, then this stop routine, what it will do, it will, if the calibration process need to be stopped, let's say we got some error or any user intervention, then stop routine request can be sent to stop the procedure. And the third one is request routine result. So what it will give, this will give the result of the routine after it is completed. So this is the process. So here in this example, start routine. So all these three works in extended session. Okay, remember this one, extended sessions. So if I take example of routine control, so let's say you are giving let's say you are sending this request 3101 and some values, and in response, in positive response, you are receiving like this 7101 some values and then 01. So this 01, what is 01? That is routine is running. It means routine is running. Okay, if you get 02 means routine is successfully finished. It will give. So in that case, you will have to give a status request routine result, and that is 03. And then similarly, sub functions are error and routine is 04. Routine is stopped. So this will be here you can say 04. So in stop routine, if here this sub function are same, but if I give same 3102, not starting, I am stopping the routine, and I have then I have stopped the routine. Then so I am giving this routine stopped routine request to issue. In response, I will get this one 04. That is routine is stopped. And the third one is request routine result. So 3103. If I give 3103, then in response, what I will give, finished successfully. 02, finished successfully. And the last one is analysis. How routines are analysis. So there are different types of analysis in the routine. So analysis 31, request out of range, 11 service not supported, 12 some function not supported, 13 incorrect message length, and 72 general programming failure, 24 request sequence error, and 33 security access denied. Okay, so let's say my I have started a routine. I am giving a start routine request 3101. Okay, and in response, if there is some error, any error, then I will get 7F31001 and this 03. It will denote there is some, due to some error, it is not okay. It will give some error. And so these are the NRC routine control. We have covered all. So we have covered all this UDS service list, important service list in this UDS series. So in the next video, I will be taking either CAN protocol or CAPL scripting. So thank you for watching. And if you have any doubts, please mention your doubts in the comment. I will reply. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please like, subscribe and share.